Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to change your address CashApp. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you already shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by getting the Amazon Prime subscription. If you'd like to not save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find it in this video description. As you can see here on the center toward middle of your screen, you're gonna see the Amazon deal and the Amazon Prime trial. So that's the link right there. And I highly recommend this subscription because it can save you a lot of money and you can cancel anytime, which is like a huge privilege for trying something else and cancel like any time that you would consider. So check it out, guys. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you guys how to change your address CashApp. We'll start by opening up the CashApp. So once you get on this main screen right here, look on the upper right hand corner where you're gonna see the profile icon or little person in the circle and a picture right there. Make sure you select the little circle box where there's a picture inside there. So select on that, and then you're gonna get on this main screen right here. So once you go on this main screen right here, you're gonna select on personal. Once you select on personal right there, you're gonna get on this screen right here, and you're gonna go all the way on the bottom where they say address. You're gonna see where they're gonna say address. If you already like have a current address gonna be there. So make sure you select that, and you're gonna get on this one where they're gonna say replace address, and make sure you select that since we're changing it, and you're gonna add your new address right there. Let me just try. And you're just gonna add your address right there, and that's how you change your address CashApp. If you have any other questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section below, and check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find it in this video description. As I said earlier, I highly recommend it for you guys to check it out, as you can save a lot of money. Thank you for watching.